I'm going to make a video on my Timex 46004T set and forget wall clock. It's just, you can see it's just a plain old big giant clock. You can see, look at this. Look how massive it is, like, compared to this little thingy. Now how do I get back up? Hang on. Finally I got back up. See, there's an accurate version of this one too. But I'm super glad I got this model because I really wanted the set and forget when I was like 5. Now I finally got it. This is not the only one. They also made a 46007T. And this one's a 46004T. But you can see when I wobble it, see when I bang at the hands begin to wobble. Yeah, this clock is made in China. Well, I gotta tell you something. Don't mess with that clock. This is a resembles an American time and signal clock. It looks just like one. Codex. You know, this is kind of loose here. There's even time on and off. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what is it doing? I'm not doing anything. So yeah, that's creepy. Yeah, I don't think this tag is level enough for such a big clock. This is great for home and office. What the packaging says. Timex was usually in Japan, actually, for the watches. I really want the Timex Indigo watch. Yeah, you can see brass thingies on there. I just really want a Timex Indigo. Like, remember those light up watches? Yeah, I really want one of those. So, there's my Timex set forget clock.